Alright, Boatman back again. Got a little 15 here. Stainless steel prop on it. Good little motor. It's a 1996, I believe is what it is. Clean. Got the shift on the handle. We're gonna fire it up here. Let you listen to it run just a minute. It won't last long. Like I got shift on the handle. I just went through the carburetor on it, and other than that, she's ready to go. Ready to go on somebody's boat. They're asking $12.95 for it. It is, like I said, ready to go. Here we go. That's it. 1996 short shaft, 15 mercury, stainless steel prop, ready to go. $12.95. Hit that subscribe button too while you're looking. Alright, bye y'all.